there is something you should know. There is no place quite like this place if we get it on the go. So pile your boots up in the corner, hang your jacket from the door. There's 30 people in the kitchen, and there's always room for more. Oh, come on now, let's lock the world outside. Come on, I tell you now, she's going up tonight. Well, there'll be music all around you. You should see the way it feels. Come on, off we go now, heel and toe now to the jigs and reels. Cause somebody's got a fiddle and someone else brought a guitar. And we got Bobby on the squeeze box. Grab a chair and raise a jar. Oh, come on now, let's lock the world outside. Come on, I tell you now, she's going up tonight. Oh, yes. Well, they'll be smiling, they'll be laughing. Well, that's good enough for me.